Edmonds Underwater Park is over 27 acres of protected marine habitat. The shallow waters provide sanctuary for many species, and a nursery for their young. Juvenile pile perch evade predators in the thick seaweed. Baby pipefish form protective schools as they search for food. This juvenile rockfish is too big to school, but still too small to leave the safety of the kelp. Another creature that likes to hide in the kelp are the red rock crabs. The park paints an idyllic picture of Puget Sound, and indeed this is probably what it looked like before human development and a large fishing industry. Unfortunately, now only a few scattered protected marine sanctuaries contain most of the breeding adults for several species of fish. Rockfish are particularly vulnerable, as most species don't reach maturity until 15 to 20 years old, and they are often caught before reaching full size. Unlike salmon, some species of rockfish are territorial, so within parks they can reach maturity and reproduce. Some of their young may stay in the park, but many leave to unprotected areas, restoring fishing stocks. Blue rockfish usually school in large numbers. It is unusual to see one all by itself in shallow waters. This individual has been hanging around this particular area for at least a week for unknown reasons. Possibly the most iconic fish at Edmonds is the Ling Cod. As a large and popular food fish, they also rely heavily on protected parks to renew their population. I have never seen an adult in shallow waters outside of a no-fishing zone, and I wonder if nearly the entire breeding population of this species in Puget Sound is located in these parks. Like the copper rockfish, Ling Cod are territorial, and individuals can be recognized year after year. This individual is a favorite of mine, as she is particularly patient with divers. Other individuals are more easily spooked from their resting places, like this smaller male. Another commonly fished species found in the park are the striped sea perch. I was lucky enough to film what looks like courtship behavior between a male and a female obviously swollen with eggs. It looks annoying, but she didn't leave, so I guess she approves. Of course, many other species call this park home, from camouflaging fish and crabs to the more conspicuous anemones and nudibranchs. Opalescent nudibranchs feed on hydroids and small anemones, stealing their stinging cells and incorporating them into their bushy serrata on their backs. At 3 inches long, this individual is about as big as they get. Ochre stars were badly affected by the sea star wasting disease that swept through the west coast, but remaining individuals are now looking healthy. Hopefully the populations will recover, but that progress may be impacted by pollution, climate change, and even plastics in the ocean. We need more marine sanctuaries to protect biodiversity in our oceans, but pollution and climate change have no borders. The ocean provides most of the oxygen we breathe, and polluting it is like taking a dump in the air conditioner. We need to stop treating it like an empty garbage dump. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw here, please consider looking up how you can help preserve and protect your local marine ecosystem. See you on the next dive!